Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Rowling wrote all 7 Harry Potter books using a third-person limited point of view that made Harry the focal point. The narrator can tell us what Harry's thinking, feeling, and seeing, as well as zoom out to tell us more about the precarious situations he finds himself in.
Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark.
There is no rule that says that all parts of a story must be written in the same POV. If you execute your story well, you can switch between first person and third person smoothly. The second part of the question was whether a dead person can narrate a story.
Make your mark. Take our lead.
If you want your reader to feel high identification with your POV character, choose first person or close third. If you want to describe your character from the outside as well as give her thoughts, choose either close or distant third person.
Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark.
Which is better, first or third person POV? POV point of view, not power of veto, all you Big Brother viewers, is one of the most important decisions you'll make when planning your book. Although traditionally third person is most popular, many writers find first person works better for some stories.
Make your mark. Take our lead.
Third-person omniscient, a narrator, narrates the story, using he, she, and they pronouns. This narrator knows everything, including but not limited to events before and after the story and all the feelings, emotions, and opinions of every character, whether the characters express them or not.
Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark.
The story is probably written from the third-person point of view. Determine whether the narrator is all-seeing and all-knowing, reveals the thoughts and feelings of some but not all of the characters, or describes only the actions, not thoughts and feelings, of the characters.
Make your mark. Take our lead.
While first-person writing offers intimacy and immediacy between narrator and reader, third-person narration offers the potential for both objectivity and omniscience. This effectively makes both forms of narration appealing to both first-time and seasoned writers.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.